Good morning, guys, and happy Vlogmas day one. We're starting Vlogmas out in the most California way I know how. I just finished a mile run on the beach. We are still living down in Santa Cruz. We're moving back up to SF in January. It's been a while. If you follow along on my channel, I don't think I've posted since February of this year, and yeah. It's been the craziest work year of my life. That's really the extent of it. I just didn't have time, and I wanted to spend what limited free time I had with my family, with my friends. So I missed you guys. I was really debating whether or not I was gonna do Vlogmas, but I love it so much. I have so much fun with it every year that I figured, why not? Like last year, I'm gonna do weekly vlogs during the work week and daily vlogs during the weekends. That way I have enough time to edit, upload, and still try to enjoy the holiday season. So with that said, welcome to Vlogmas. I'm so excited. Dyson about 4 months ago, and I love it. And this is just like a rough blowout that I do before I usually curl it, and then that lasts me for like 3 or 4 days. And so I do this twice a week, and I have great looking hair with less damage than a traditional blow dryer, although I am still using a curling iron because I still haven't figured out how to do good long-lasting curls with the Dyson. So anyway, that is that. I have lots on my agenda today, but I do have a little bit of a break between calls. Things are pretty slow. This is like a pretty busy day because I just have a lot of calls, but in terms of actual workload, I'm not on any live deals right now. My portfolio stuff is nothing too major. So unlike last year where I feel like I spent all of Vlogmas working, this year I think I'll actually have more free time. I feel like I say that now, knock on wood. There's still a few weeks where stuff could pop up, but at this point, I think Vlogmas is looking pretty good. Ollie, do you know what today is?
What's today?
It's Vlogmas day one.
Oh my gosh. Oh, Anna.
It's December. Happy Vlogmas. Mom is cleaning up the sand from my morning run. Dad is working on the computer.
I'm getting a haircut today.
Oh, yes. Okay, my mom just got back from the hairdresser and wanted to show off her new haircut.
And Crystal Lovett cut my hair at Urban Groove.
In Santa Cruz.
In Santa Cruz.
So cute. Okay, so I've been terrible at vlogging today. It's like 9 p.m. and I came back. Johnny and I were going to go to the gym. We made some dinner. I got a headache. We laid down. We fell asleep. We did not go to the gym. He is at his makeshift office right now working, and I am just about to pack up because in the morning I'm going up to Palo Alto to go into the office. I'm staying the night in San Francisco, and then I am going into the office on Friday as well. So I gotta pack up. I feel like my entire life right now is just like a series of suitcases because we have just been moving around so much, and I'm really getting sick of it. But we are not going to complain about that because it is what it is. I just need to take all of the stuff that is in this suitcase and make it disappear and repack it with what I want for the week. And I need to go get my laundry. We should start with the laundry. Let's do a time lapse. Thursday, and I just got done in the office. I'm waiting for my Uber. I'm gonna Uber up to SF, and go look at some apartments tonight. So I'm super excited. I haven't vlogged at all today because it's just been craziness. It's so busy, but come tour some apartments with me. Okay, so I just got to SF and I'm trying to find the entrance to this apartment building, but oh, I think it's across the street. It's across the street. We are going to tour places in Soma. Okay, so I just got to the first apartment and this is like so many other buildings here, unfortunately, where like the layout is just a little weird. So this is the living room. This is and kitchen. I hate when they have kitchens that are like all along one wall. I just feel like it takes up so much space and like I wish it curved around. So that's not great. They have this movable island which you could put here. You can make that your like dining area over there, and then the couch would go here or some other combination of that. But I don't like that the kitchen's on one wall, so that's an automatic negative. This is the bathroom connected to the non-master, and this room is pretty small. Like there's enough room for a bed, and that's pretty much it. The master is a lot nicer. I don't like that the bedrooms share a wall either. That's not ideal. But the master is pretty good size. You can fit a bed, a desk, a dresser, and it has this little walk-in closet, which is super nice. And then here's the bathroom. And it has a tub, which is nice. So yeah, that's this. I think the other one that I'm gonna see is the same plan, so not that exciting. There's also not a ton of storage space. It does have in-unit washer dryer, which is nice. That's pretty much it. I can't see the amenities because I guess they're hosting an event. I mean, it's a pretty brand new building. The rooms are at least rectangular, which is silly to say, but like most nice luxury buildings in SF have crazy shaped bedrooms that have like tons of angles and they're like hexagonal and you can't put a bed anywhere and it's just really bad use of space. This is at least better in that respect, but I didn't love the kitchen. So I'm gonna talk to them and see if there are other units available or coming available that would have a different floor plan, because this one wasn't great, but building overall seems nice. Okay, so I'm on my way to see the next unit, and I'll just do like a silent video because it's actually through Craigslist, so there's the owner that's gonna be showing it to me, so I'm not gonna like walk around and talk. But wish me luck. I'm going to meet someone that I met on Craigslist, which is terrifying because I watch way too much true crime. So yeah, hope I don't die. Thank you. Update, I survived. The unit was fine. It was kind of hard to see because it was so dark, but I like filmed with the flash on. I don't know, I didn't love it. The building was like a little bit meh, and it didn't have any amenities or anything like that. So neither of these I was like, oh my gosh, we have to get this. So the hunt continues, but now I'm headed to dinner. I'm going to MKT Kitchen, which is in the Four Seasons here. Normally I don't like to eat at hotels, but it was like one of the only places nearby that had a reservation. Look, it's Santa! So that was a ridiculous dinner. Apparently the first Thursday of every month they do some big event. This one was sponsored by Belvedere Vodka and Santa was there. and he hung out at my table more than he should have and told me about his life, and it was weird. He apparently owns a winery in Napa that sells bottles of wine for over $1,000, and also runs a company that plans events for high net worth individuals, and there was something about Arabian horses. I don't believe even 50% of that, but that is not my concern anymore. I just got changed. I just put on some pants and fixed my hair because Carl the Fog was doing a number on my cowlicks, and I'm gonna go meet a friend for drinks at the Brass Knuckle or something like that in Hayes Valley. So my Uber's here, I gotta run. But that's where we're off to. So I just got home. It was so fun catching up with my friend Virat. I have not seen him since before the pandemic, and we've like texted and like FaceTimed a couple times since he left where I work, but it was so nice to see him in person, and we just got a drink and then went for a walk, and it was so nice. So I'm home now. I'm gonna do some work. It's already 12:30 and I have to be up at like 6:30 tomorrow to go down to Palo Alto again, but there's like a couple things that I have to do just to prepare for a meeting that I have tomorrow morning. But once I'm done with that, I'm going to go to sleep. So see you guys in the morning. Oh my god, this is the weirdest thing. What the hell? Thank you. Goodbye. Oh, yay. Oh, she's happy now. Are you gonna leave? Or are you just gonna hang here? No. Okay, bye. Does it take the elevator by itself? Okay. I like want to follow it, but I'm not going to. Well, I was going to bed, but I did a face mask. It's the Esme Skin Treat Detoxifying Exfoliating Charcoal Serum. My skin is so bad right now because I've been picking at it. Also, I started using retinol and then I stopped, and I feel like it like just started to get to like the detox phase. Anyway, I was going to bed. I was gonna end the vlog, but then the robot came and I was just like, what is this? I literally got a call on my phone and it was like this beeping sound and it was this robot voice and I was like, I've arrived. But anyway, I forgot toothpaste, so that was that. Okay, I'm gonna brush my teeth and go to bed for real this time. So I'm the only one left in the office, although the cleaning staff just arrived and are starting to clean, so I'm kind of being quiet because awkward to vlog. It's like almost 6 p.m. and I've been trying to leave for like the last hour, but Ubers are really expensive and hard to come by and keep canceling. So finally I got one and it was 20 minutes away. So now I think they're like 5 or 6 minutes away. I'm about to head down, but it's been nice to be in the office the last few days. There's like was hardly anyone in the office today at the junior level because it's a Friday and most people work from home on Fridays, but we are transitioning back to being in the office 3 days a week starting in January, which will be exciting, although only one day will have to be down in Palo Alto and the other 2 can be in San Francisco if we want, and then 2 work from home. But I think this is the first thing I've said to the vlog today, so hello. It's Friday evening. I'm trying to get home and I don't know what we're gonna do. I just texted Donnie to see what he wants to do for dinner, so maybe we'll go out or maybe we'll just cook. I'm also kind of tired. I'm gonna be down to just hang out and like watch a movie or something. This is ridiculous. So I requested an Uber, waited 20 minutes for it, and I got in and he looks at the map. He's like, oh, you're going down to Santa Cruz? I'm not gonna take this ride. I was like, I just waited 20 minutes. Like, it tells you if it's a long ride. And I like didn't argue with him. I mean, I was like, I told him, I was like, I waited for 20 minutes. Like, please, can you take me? He was like, nope. So I got out. But in my head, I was thinking, this is ridiculous. Like, you know, it's a long ride. I get like going down to Santa Cruz is less appealing than going up to SF, but it's an expensive ride, so that's frustrating. So now I'm about to pay double because prices have gone up and I can only get a Lyft, and Lyft is more expensive. But I messaged the guy and I told him I was going to Santa Cruz, and he said that was fine. So I'm waiting 5 minutes and he'll get here, so at least I don't have to wait a super long time, but it's so expensive.